to Storytime with Sugar. Today we're reading On the Construction Site. A tall skyscraper is being built. If you look closely around the construction site, through the steel beams and the concrete, you will find machines and people hard at work. Shine a flashlight behind the page or hold it up to a light to reveal what is hidden in and around the construction site. Discover a world of great surprises. People will live in this skyscraper when it's finished. Can you see the plans? Architects and engineers work together to design the building. The plans show what it will look like. People watch as the area is cleared. What is this truck taking away? Rumble. This dump truck is full of rocks and rubble. The back lifts up and tips to dump the load. Tall buildings need to stand on strong, solid ground. This means builders have to dig down to make the foundations. How many diggers can you see? There is a digger in the pit as well as on the surface. Their claws scoop out earth to make a huge hole. The skyscraper's foundations are very, very deep. What is this machine doing? A pile driver is hammering steel poles into the bedrock. Steel is a strong metal. The cement mixer is making concrete for the foundations. What's going on inside it? Water and cement whirl around and around in the drum. They mix together to form concrete. The foundations are leveled, ready for the concrete that forms the basement floor. Can you see which machines smooth out the ground? Bulldozers push earth aside to finish the foundations. They have flat tracks instead of wheels. The frame of the skyscraper is built next. Workers on the ground guide crane operators who place the steel beams. Can you see how they talk to each other? The crane operator follows hand signals. Each signal means something different. An iron worker is fixing the beam in place. Can you see how? Metal melts at high temperatures. The iron worker welds or joins the beams by melting them together with a welding torch. Floors are added to the metal frame. A layer of thin steel sheeting is laid onto the beams. What is added next? Concrete is poured onto the floor. It will dry hard and flat. Carpets will be added after the walls have been painted. Materials are needed at the top of the building. How do they get there? A hoist full of steel beams goes up the tall tower like an elevator. The tower is joined to the building to keep it safe and steady. Glass is placed on the outside of the building. Can you see who's inside? There are a lot of builders at work. The glass is tinted to shelter the people inside. Plumbers and electricians are adding water and electrical systems to the finished floors. Where are the pipes and wires? The pipes and wires are hidden behind the walls and under the floor. A heavy steamroller drives over fresh asphalt to make a flat road. What is under the asphalt? The road is made of many layers. There is earth, sand, and gravel under the asphalt. The road is soon being used by lots of people. What is inside the trucks? One truck has a ladder, paint, and brushes to decorate the apartments. The other trucks have lots of boxes and furniture. Can you guess why? On the top floor, a family moves into their new home. What will the view be like? Wow. The skyscraper is complete, and now people live here. The workers and machines have moved to another site, ready to build again.